So para tayo nagki-kitchen raid ngayon, again, going back lang dun sa philosophy natin when we're designing items for the menu, you always want to make it very simple. Kung hindi mo kayang gawin sa bahay, yung putahe, mahihirapan kang ilabas to sa kahit anong restaurant despite ng level ng skills ng mga chefs mo. Yun pa rin yung prinsipyo, yung lagi kong pinangahawakan na I think with my years of experience sa kusina, nag-prove naman itong very effective and very practical. So this is one of those dishes. Shrimp natin. Salt lang yan. Hot pan. Hot oil. Prepare lang natin yung ating garlic. Kasi once na ibagsak natin yung ating shrimp, sigurado wala pang 5 minutes, tapos na yung cooking process. Okay. So very hot oil and very hot pan. Aray ko. So ganun ako nasusunog eh. And then saka ko ilalagay yung ating garlic. More oil. Because of the temperature ng ating pan kanina, wala pa yata tayong 3-minute mark and tapos na yung cooking process. Nararamdaman ko na yung ating shrimp. Maganda na yung bounce. Perfectly cooked na siya at this point. Set aside lang natin to rest. Dito sa Magdalena, abundant pa rin ang coconut. Siyempre, for our sauce, we're just gonna make coconut cream sauce. So, pan sauce lang ito, pero yung pang-deglaze natin sa kanya is yung ating kakanggata. We're making a sauce. Ngayon, pag masyadong mainit yung temperature na gagamitin natin, maghihiwalay yung cream sa oil. Yun naman yung ayaw nating mangyari at this point. So, salt lang ito. Konting patis. Let's add in some sugar. Bukod doon sa simpleng components ng dishes natin, bawang, ipon, gata, pagagandahin lang natin yung ating plato. Dito naman papasok yung arte, kumbaga. We will be adding some components like basil oil, at saka yung ating tuile na ginagawa in-house. So this is basically just squid ink and oil, water, and flour. Tapos pwede mo na ring timplahan to ng kung anong gusto mo. Lagyan mo ng bagoong, patis. There you go. Thank you for considering our farm and our restaurant for your relaxation. Are you guys over here for rest?
Yeah.
Are we celebrating something?
Rest is a rest.
What is your food?
Oh, perfect. Nice cue, sir. I'll take off from that. Please try something that we have played with in the kitchen.
Okay.
Just basically shrimp with gata. Shrimp, basil oil, garlic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very ano siya, very tasty. Alam na alam mo yung coconut milk. Na fresh. Yung sauce niya talaga,
Coconut cream lang po yan.
Nothing else.
Nothing else. Yung, kasi nag-isa lang po ako ng shrimp with garlic. Same pan. Nag-drop lang ako ng siguro mga half cup ng coconut cream.
Sarap.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.